We're back with some breaking inputs coming in. The security agencies have unearthed a massive digital Hawala racket in Jammu Kashmir in a major counter-terror and anti-crime crackdown. Nearly 8,000 bank accounts have come under the scanner following a coordinated investigation by Counter Intelligence Kashmir and the central agencies.
Mule accounts basically are the bank accounts which are being created to be used as mule to transfer and transport funds from one end to another end. So these mule accounts are being used by the criminals in a very systematic fashion to basically create layers to evade the detection by these investigating agencies. It's been now quite some time that we have been getting reports from public and from Financial Intelligence Unit of India and from our other sister intelligence agencies that there is a rapid increase in mule account and lots of cyber crime are being committed, and these mule accounts are being used to transfer funds from one end to another.
We have seen after 2019 there was a major crackdown, and in fact the financial roots of all those anti-India groups or terror groups were in fact choked. Does CIK sense that this particular financial, in fact, mule banking system was somewhere being used for those activities as well, or there's some sort of coordination that these, in fact, the recruits in this particular network were getting from across the border?
Absolutely. See, the entire system is being used by criminals, and the entire system is running, right from the origin till the end. It is a crime. So, since the funds are involved and layering is involved, the layering is deliberate by the criminals to evade detection. So, there are every chances, and we are apprehensive that these accounts may be used for a variety of criminal activities, which may include the terrorist activities as well. We are not apparently on its face, we are not sure, and we are not certain about the origin, and we are not certain about the destination of the funds. So it is very premature to comment that whether these accounts are actually used in terrorist activity, but yes, there are every apprehension, and we are looking from all angles into this investigation, and we are sure that we will find out the origin and the destination as well.
So one important aspect of all this network is the recruits. The person who basically opens up this account, which we call mule account. So are there any set number of those recruits who have in fact anti-India activities attached with their profiles, and have you managed to detect any such individuals who have came into under scanner or who are under scanner because of their past activities?
So, as far the investigation is concerned, we are at a very infancy stage. We have thousands of numbers of accounts which are under scanner. So, as of now, we are just calling the suspects and trying to verify their credentials, and also trying to verify the transactions which have happened in their accounts. So, as of now, we have not identified any such user or bank account holder who is otherwise having some anti-national or subversive or terrorist related activities credential, and who is also running this account. But yes, we are apprehensive that criminals are looking for various ways to do the crime, and this kind of a technology and misuse of a technology is one thing that they are exploiting to their benefit. So we are quite optimistic that we will find these criminals, and we are apprehensive that yes, there may be people who must be using this kind of channel for routing funds for criminal activities or terrorist activities.
Now, mule accounts are the ones that are used by criminals to move money. Let me go across the aisle. So, joining us in the broadcast, and 8,000 such mule accounts are under the scanner. The objective is to choke terror funding.
Yes, exactly. The Counter Intelligence of Kashmir, along with other central government impact agencies, are working on this, and they are trying to find out the origin and the destiny of the money that was being basically used to transfer, being in fact transferred into these accounts in a multi-layer system. So the investigating agencies so far have freezed around 8,000 Mule accounts in Jammu and Kashmir, and the SSP CIK in Srinagar, Mr. Tahir Ashraf, confirming to us that there are thousands of such accounts that are already under scanner, and they are now in fact investigating the account holders as well. So after 2019, the financial routes for anti-India groups or elements or terror groups in Jammu and Kashmir stand choked, and this in fact senses to be a new route that's being adopted to in fact move funds into Jammu and Kashmir, and that's why security agencies have apprehension that the funds that are being used to in fact being transferred with the help of these Mule accounts could be used for in fact terror activities as well. That's why the investigation has been in fact paced up in Jammu and Kashmir, with investigating agencies now trying to find out the origin and the final destiny of the money that was in fact being transferred with the help of these Mule accounts. 8,000 accounts already freeze, thousands of other accounts already under scanner, and investigations are taking place at this particular point in time.
Network has been busted. Several accounts under scanner, and the objective is to choke terror funding. Thank you very much, Suhail, for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break. There's a lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.